Hello, my name is Mr. Motho. We got a bit of a different video for you today. I'm going to be completely tearing my setup down and then rebuilding it. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Let's go. So, computer there, then we have a monitor, and then another monitor, and then a light, and then the camera, and then action. I'll do a little bit of magic, shall I? At the click of a finger, you'll see what it looks like for a split second. Movie magic. Anyway, let's continue with the build. This is what it looks like so far. And underneath, I have done some cable management, power management. First monitor down, or up, shall I say. Monitor 2 is up. I'm uncertain if I will keep it, this arrangement. What do you guys think? I know this is really messy and usually I'm a lot cleaner than this, but I just had to swap this phone charger, the wireless charger, from this end to this end. And as you can see, I made a few mistakes, but it's in now. Don't look at that, that's fucking messy! Okay, so I've gotten this far. I've got two monitors up, right? Not plugged in yet. I've got my Steam Deck, also not plugged in yet, and you'll see in a minute. I have changed the placement of the phone charger, which I don't really need, but it looks nice. And I've got my Rode Duocaster, not plugged in again yet. Okay, as you can see, not plugged in. So what I've done is I've got this plug coming through here, going up here, going along, and that comes to this. Then obviously it's a standing desk. So we've got the standing desk plug plugged into it, as well as you can probably see, a PS5 Pro. We've got the PS5 Pro mounted to the bottom. So, and I've arranged it so all this is coming out. So this is the Elgato Steam Deck. This is for the PS5 Pro HDMI. And yeah, we're just gonna keep going. So, I've decided to have the Switch 2 there. I'm currently threading everything through, as you can see. It's going all right, actually. Still got a ways to go, and I'm trying to decide where I'm going to have my camera and lights. But yeah, we'll get to that. Okay, so we're starting to plug things in now. Okay, just a little update here. We've got all our plugs going through, channeling through the dual monitor arms. We've got our lights, a Govee lights attached. We've got the switch plugged in. We've got this right monitor plugged in, and the left monitor, which is in here. We've got the Govee plug. The last one there is for the Amaran light. We've got all of our cables coming out of the PC. Okay, we've got all cables situated. Power, display port, which goes into the PC, HDMI, which goes into the Macintosh, goes through here, channels all down here. And then this monitor, we've got power, we've got a HDMI into the PC, and a USB-C display into the Mac Mini. Then we've got an Elgato 4KX, which is passing through into the main monitor with USB-C into the Mac. We've got a HDMI feed from an 8K 120Hz switcher, which it's going into the Elgato 4KX, but it's got switch to PS5 and PC. Got that all plugged in, should be all working. And then I've got some very temporary cable management. In here we've got the Rodecaster Duo feeding in and across to my pod mic with two USBs both into the Mac for different channels, as well as a power And then we've got the Elgato, as I said earlier, and then the Switch 2, power and HDMI.
PC. We've got a HDMI into the main monitor, then a display port
Into the secondary monitor.
This HDMI goes into the switcher. So I can switch between capturing gameplay between the Switch 2 PC and the PS5.
Everything is plugged in and working.
Very shoddy cable management, I know, but what are you gonna do? We've got this going into my camera, which I'll show you in a second, and then the lighting, which I'm gonna do now, which is the final step. There we have it. That literally took the whole day.
And it's dark outside.
Okay, well, fucking... That concludes today's episode of things you should not do. Stressful. If you can avoid them, don't do them. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye!
Show them folks what happened when you relentless, and your actions start to match the path for which you intended. Put the time in to perfect the craft. I'm the truth.